Hey, I just bought a graphic tablet and my life's changed. You need one too.
Why? I'm good with my mouse and pencil. Seems like a gimmick.
Gimmick? Teachers use them to make lessons interactive. Imagine drawing diagrams live for students.
But I can just use a whiteboard.
Sure, but with a tablet you can save lessons as digital files, edit them and share instantly. No messy erasers.
Huh? What about artists? They swear by traditional tools.
True, but graphic tablets mimic pencil paintbrush pressure, plus undo mistakes without wasting paper.
But digital art feels less authentic.
Tell that to Pixar. They use tablets for animation, and artists sell their work online easier with digital files.
Okay, but tech enthusiasts? They're into VR and robots, not drawing.
Wrong. Tablets work with apps like Photoshop, Procreate, even 3D modeling. Customize shortcuts, use them as second screens.
Wait, second screens? How?
Connect it to your laptop. Use it to write notes, control presentations, or edit videos while keeping your main screen clutter-free.
Still not convinced. They're expensive, right?
Entry-level tablets start at $50, cheaper than a new laptop, and they last years.
But I'm bad with tech. Learning curve?
Plug and play. Most apps have tutorials. My 70-year-old aunt uses one for Sudoku.
Sudoku? That's random.
Exactly. It's versatile. Teachers, artists, gamers, writers, everyone finds a use.
Alright, but how's this discreet for photos, videos?
All right. Use it to edit photos on the go with apps like Lightroom, or sketch storyboards for YouTube videos discreetly. No bulky gear.
But my phone can edit photos. So again, nikabayense.
Try editing a 10-minute video on your phone. With a tablet plus stylus, you can fine-tune details, mask audio, add effects.
Okay, maybe. But what's the big deal?
The big deal? It's a tool that bridges creativity and productivity. Write, draw, design, teach, all in one portable device.
Still sounds niche.
Niche? Over 50% of digital artists use tablets daily. Teachers call them classroom game changers. Tech folks automate workflows with them.
Alright, give me one practical tip for home use.
Use it to digitally sign documents, create family calendars, or design DIY home decor. No printer ink wasted.
And office.
Annotate PDFs, brainstorm ideas visually in meetings, or design marketing materials. Your boss will think you're a wizard.
Okay, but I'm not creative.
You don't need to be. Use it for handwriting notes, organizing tasks, or even learning calligraphy. It's a skill builder.
Fine, but I'm not made of money.
Check refurbished models, or split one with a friend. Trust me, you'll fight over who uses it more.
You've convinced me. But if I buy one and hate it, I'm blaming you.
Deal. Just wait, you'll be the one recommending it to everyone next week.